When we first purchased our fifth wheel RV, we researched all the hitches on the market. We quickly determined the Andersen Ultimate Connection fifth wheel hitch was the best option for a variety of reasons. And after 8 years living in our fifth wheel, we still love the Andersen hitch. In fact, when we bought a new tow truck, we also decided to get a new Andersen hitch. The only difference was the installation method. Our first hitch was a rail mount and our second one was a gooseneck mount. The hitch is super easy to use. We simply back up the truck so the hitch ball is under the coupler, then we lower the fifth wheel onto the hitch, lock it, and we're ready to go. In addition to being easy to use, there are several things we love about our hitch. Here are 5 reasons we recommend the Andersen fifth wheel hitch. First of all, the hitch's 20,000+ pound GTWR and 4,500 pound tongue weight is plenty of towing capacity for all but the very largest fifth wheel. Secondly, the hitch height can be adjusted to make sure your fifth wheel is level when towing. The height can be adjusted to 3 different positions. The third feature we love is the greaseless coupler. Since no grease is required, you won't have to get filthy hooking up your fifth wheel. Fourth, these hitches are built by a US-based company and come with a money-back warranty. Over 8 years traveling thousands of miles, we have never had any issues with this hitch. The last thing we absolutely love about the Andersen fifth wheel hitch is the ability to take it in and out of the truck in minutes. It weighs just 40 pounds and one person can easily remove or reinstall the hitch when the pickup bed is needed for other tasks. Thanks for watching. Happy camping!